So this is actually the new setup. He also just showed me this cool little device, I would say. It's obviously a breather that actually runs through where you would throw your oil in instead of you actually drilling holes. So that's just something cool I thought I'd share with you guys. Yo guys, so I have Matthew over here. He is from Hatdynamics. He also has a YouTube channel called Mischief Garage. So I actually came to drop off this for Riyadh Booney, but he just left, so I kind of missed him. But seeing that I am here, I thought I might as well show you guys the cool cars that are in the storage facility as well. We have a dyno section over there that I might show you guys as well. So Matthew's just going to give us a quick walk around on the cool cars that are all here. We'll start with, what are these called? Cobras, right?
These are called Cobras. This is a backdrop Cobra actually.
So these are the Cobras. So a little bit of history between that one and that one. What is that one? Something with a C. That one's called the...
It's actually a Lotus 7.
Okay.
That's running basically the Ford Durotech motor in there.
Okay.
It actually doesn't have that much power. It's power to weight, so it has like about 127 kilowatts, but it's running on Proxy's semi-slick. So that thing around the racetrack or mountain pass is incredibly quick.
So they're mainly for track use, right?
Basically, I use it on the road actually, but now to be safe, since we're driving pretty fast with us, I'm barely taking it on the track. That's the main of the thing. This one is a custom build, basically, we got from Backdrop. Took about a year and a half. From everything you can imagine, this is the first one that has a carbon fiber dashboard in it, and it's actually, they've only made 2 in the world of this color. So if they don't know who supplies America and all the Cobras and Backdrop, it's basically a company in Durban, which is amazing. So they build this on scratch. You can put in your own motor. So we got, I'm on a line, this is a wild car. It pushes around about 500 horsepower, just over 500 horsepower, and it's mad, man. It's a naturally aspirated vehicle. Let's actually see, I think it's a stroker motor.
That's cool, bro.
Yeah, this one is a...
And then another thing, Matthew, I saw this room over here. What is that room for? What is it for, your YouTube channel, or it seems like a studio?
Yeah, I'm a music artist, first
okay.
and foremost, other than a car enthusiast.
Okay, cool. So I'll link some information of you, maybe your tracks, whatever the case may be in as well.
Cool, man.
Okay, yeah.
Definitely.
He's going to take us further on to the rest of the cars. What I can see here is one of my favorite cars, obviously RX-7. It has the 13B motor install. It's also single turbo, so this belongs to Gary, right? So Gary actually works here as well. And then these are the rest of the cars. So Matthew's just going to take us for a walk around. We just discussed this car. I thought it was a Radical, but he mentioned that this is a Harper. So Harper's actually a dude that is in South Africa. What in where?
Basically designed it and made this car. It's just based around the Le Mans, you know. So this one's running a 20 volt in it. We have another one inside that runs a 3 HP turbocharge, which is a lot faster than this one. This one just an old Kent motor, which is amazing. It does the job. And then these ones, this is a new addition. This will be made faster. It's a 996 turbo, but when you up the boost on this, it can get very, very fast. So this is our next project also. And then onto our Porsche, we've got a E46. Basically, it's a Z4 MPP, but it runs on this E46.
Is it? So they are kind of rare, right? I know the coupes are kind of rare.
They're very rare, and this one especially because it has low mileage. It's also done by Rob Green. I sent it to Johannesburg.
Okay, so Rob Green is the drifter, right?
Basically, it's basically a tuning company in Johannesburg.
So isn't he the drifting guy, Rob Green?
If he is, I'm gonna know. So
Okay. Okay, then also off camera, I think we spoke about there's a lot of BMs here. So the question was, why do you guys have so much BMs? Is it just personal preference?
First of all, I think my dad owned, I didn't like 19 BMs.
Is it?
Owned all the type of ones.
And then also you mentioned that this one was inherited, right?
Yeah, this is basically my dad's father's car. Basically, 318 Chevy line. Everything's original. The interior, brand, like it's basically brand new. And this thing starts up straight away. And then this is the naughty brother. This is the drift car. This is also it's just an M20 B25 motor, but it's turbocharged. But this one is literally brought in for us to just practice drifting.
Yo, I can see the flake is crazy, right? So you say you drift this car as well?
Well, yeah, it's a practice car. Herman actually from Hatdynamics. He's crazy at drifting. But we locked the diff and we did the suspension mode now, so we're ready for the next track day. But we also have a new project now. We bought a Subaru, but that has a 2JZ motor.
Crazy. Can I see it maybe later?
You go check it out.
Okay, cool. But let's just take it further. I would like to see this other RX-7 over here.
Yeah, this is a customer's car. It's not ours.
So it's wide body. I think is it what's it called? LB kit on?
I think so.
Liberty Walk.
I don't know if it's Liberty Walk. The audience would have to correct me here.
I think if this was the purple one, then it is the Liberty Walk one. There was a purple one. Looks pretty much the same. Also on air ride. We might have did a color change. Could be the same car. But yeah.
Very nice engine wheel fit. I think it's just chrome bits.
Okay, cool. Yeah, then I think it is the same car because I remember the chrome bits as well. Yeah, I'll try to put up a picture on this video just to show you guys what this car looked like before. Okay, so Matthew just told me that this was one of his cars. Actually, you just sold it, right?
Yeah. So I owned this for like 3-4 months. I think it's a cool car. But now I sold it and I'm gonna buy another MG. That's still a surprise though. I'm excited.
Okay, cool. And then here we have Riyad's car actually, no? The all-wheel drive CRX. K24, K20 if I'm not mistaken, right?
Yeah, K20. This is gonna be a wild car.
So what are you guys actually doing to the car?
I think we're putting a management. Yeah,
so he's doing the wiring, etc.
Wiring, everything that's coming for this, and then I think maybe they'll throw it on the timer.
Okay, perfect. So cool guys, this is Riyad's car as well. Riyad was here with his FN2 early on. But like I said, we missed him. And then let me just show you guys the rest of the cars. We have some cool packages here. Is that the Subaru with the 2JZ?
Yeah, this is the new car. This is the new project. I said I've always.
And this is the 3S GT. You said another one with the turbo.
3S GTE. This one has a turbo in it.
Yeah, cool.
This one is a nice. This is a proper fast car also. Good for the track, and we drive it on the road. But they were just getting a hang on the turbo, the boost. But this one we bought, this is the new edition. Also a 2JZ.
2JZ. Yo, massive turbo, eh?
Yeah, we eventually want to get this thing up to like maybe 450 kilowatts, 500.
You're insane, bro.
But we're gonna, the whole thing about this car is it just has to look normal. It's gonna be running flex fuel.
Okay.
Basically, the nice thing about it, you just throw in, ethanol or whatever, and it'll just mix the fuel for you. So it'll have custom tune maps and everything. And yeah, this thing is gonna be fun. So in the next 6 months, you'll see this thing drifting. It's also, it's not all-wheel drive.
So you took the front, the shaft off, I assume, to make it rear-wheel drive, right?
Yeah, so it's rear-wheel drive. We like to go sideways, if you're honest.
I think there's another YouTuber, Christian Ingu, something like that, used to be part of Eliminate. He done the same thing.
Oh yeah?
So yeah. That's where I actually learned about these cars as well. They're actually very good in drifting when they actually do that.
Yeah.
But definitely. Yeah, so these buckies, customer cars or?
Yeah, So what we do here is obviously also servicing center.
Yeah.
Basically, so it's just also customer
Supergas engine.
Yeah, man, it's a fun one. Actually, Herman has a rotary, turbo rotary.
In that one over there.
Yeah, so we're gonna put that together too. Just don't have time at the moment.
Yeah.
But yeah, we do servicing here, and then obviously on that side we do
The dyno.
flashing, dynos, all different types of cars rolling here, custom tunes. So yeah, I mean, it's probably busy tuning a bucket at the moment. So.
Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you guys this cool little room over here. Okay guys, so this is the dyno area. This is basically a dyno room. As you can see on top it has like what's it, sound deadening, right?
Yeah, basically it's just soundproofing.
Soundproofing.
And just trying to make the sound so it doesn't escape from outside. So.
Yeah. So like I said, like pulling up here, I never heard any cars in the dyno when you guys were actually busy with this car. So that's something really cool.
We have loud cars, race cars here, that is crazy. And
I mean, this is probably a little tamer than the cars you guys usually have.
Yeah. But I mean, the walls are like super insulated. It's super thick. And yeah, then obviously the extraction fans that take everything out of it.
So yeah, maybe I'll come back for something when there's something maybe more interesting on the dyno as well. This was now extremely unexpected. But yeah guys, I will link his information in the description below, as well as Hatdynamics and all the other information. I'm gonna just do a little bit of some chilling with him. Maybe like, how can I say, catch up with him and maybe just learn more about this company and maybe get a few cinematics for you guys as well. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy.
Thank you, man. That's super cool.
Hey guys, so this is actually Matthew's studio here as well. You did mention that in future you might have a little rig or something here for customers, like a simulator,
Yeah,
right?
basically, it's gonna actually be outside.
Okay, outside.
Yeah, it's just my personal studio.
Okay, personal. So you play the drums as well?
The drums, basically keys, guitar, produce all my own music, and obviously songwrite also. But yeah, that's my first work, and then obviously this is the fun.
Can you maybe show us or play us one of your tracks,
yeah,
maybe?
Yeah, one of my tracks, basically. Just gotta get this thing to load quickly.
Will I get affected by copyright or not?
Yeah, I think that's a problem.
Okay, we'll just play like a few seconds of it. But maybe in future you can give me the how can I say, the
non-copyright.
yeah,
You know?
for me to even maybe use in my YouTube videos, and I can obviously.
Bro, that would be amazing.
Yeah, cool.
Let me just.
So this is one of your songs, right?
This is all my songs. Basically, it's been on all the top charts.
Okay.
In South Africa.
And you said that you actually let this one. You did this on your iPhone, right?
No, I actually did it on the other one. I did it on my iPhone. I recorded the whole music video on my iPhone.
Okay, pause it again. Pause it. Okay, cool guys. So you can hear it's a very cool beat, and that is actually Matthew himself when he had some long hair.
And I had long hair. Yes.
This beat actually sounds extremely familiar. Also, it does sound like I've heard it before.
Is it? Yeah, it's
So,
been on a few top charts.
Yeah. So please actually send me all the sounds. I'd really like to actually listen to it, etc. And then yeah, it's actually very cool meeting you, and probably link up in future.
Yeah, sharp, man. I love it. Just a random turn up.
Yeah, that cool, bro.
Sharp, man.
Hey guys, so I just arrived at my friend Kirk's house, and as you guys know, STM does support this K series MR2. So what we got him is this iridium spark plugs, as well as this STM t-shirt. So he's just going to fit it on quickly. Okay guys, so there he has a t-shirt on. If you guys are interested in a t-shirt like this, I'll leave my information in the description. And then let me just give you guys a quick walk around on this car. As you guys know, this is K20A in an MR2 built by LA Racing. And then another part that we actually got him was these rims. We actually did a very cool video on it. So at the end of this video, I'll just show you guys a few pulls. Unfortunately, the car has a slight miss on it, and that is why we actually supplied him these iridium spark plugs. We're going to basically try all the small things first. Like plugs is obviously kind of a small thing, then we might move over to actually replacing the coil packs. He unfortunately is working, as well as I'm currently busy, so we actually won't be able to do it today. But yeah, I'll give you guys an update in future as well.